And now for our viewers' Heartline.
We shall like to know more about Supreme Master Ching Hai and also how to maintain our veg diet and save our planet. Really, we love watching the programs on your station. Charles.
Cherished Charles, thank you for your lovely message. Please visit www.suprememastertv.com to view spiritual discourses by Supreme Master Ching Hai on words of wisdom and between master and disciples. For more information on the veg diet and saving our earth, you can access www.suprememastertv.com/beveg. All material is also downloadable free of charge. May heaven's blessings be with you and your loved ones always.
Do you have a Heartline today? We very much appreciate your Heartlines and stories from your area. You can send them to Heartline at suprememastertv.com, the address on your screen, or visit suprememastertv.com/Heartline.